We just studied the Sutram 2-36 Nishtha, which tells us that in a Bahuvrihi compound, a term which ends in a Nishtha affix prescribed by the Sutram 32102 Nishtha takes the prior position. But in the language, we find that in a Bahuvrihi compound, a term ending in a Nishtha affix may not always take the prior position. To allow for those situations, Pāṇini has composed the next tool in the Ashtadhyayi, which is 2-37 Vahitājñādishu. The padacheda of this sutram is Va Ahitājñādishu. Vritti says Ahitājñādishu Nishthantam Purvam Vasyat, which means that in the Bahuvrihi compounds Ahitagni etc., a term which ends in a Nishtha affix prescribed by the Sutram 32102 Nishtha optionally takes the prior position. Note here says that for a term which ends in a Nishtha affix, the Purva Nipataha, placement in the prior position, which would have been obligatory in all Bahuvrihi compounds as per the prior Sutram 2-36 Nishtha, is now made optional by the present Sutram 2-37 in certain Bahuvrihi compounds like Ahitagni etc. The Vigraha of this compound Ahitagni is Ahitaha Agnayaha Yena Saha equals Ahitagni or Ajñāhitaha, qualifying Nara, means he, the man who has consecrated or installed the sacrificial fires. The Alaukika Vigraha is Ahita Jas plus Agni Jas, Prathama Bahuvachanam, compounding prescribed 2-24 Anekamanya Padarthe. Because we have the two terms Ahita Jas and Agni Jas, which are entering into a compound, and the entire compound is qualifying someone who is not denoted in the compound. The entire compound is qualifying Naraha. So the conditions for applying 2-24 are satisfied. Now Ahita Jas plus Agni Jas gets the designation Pradivadikam by 1-246 Krit Tadhita Samasascha, because we have formed a Samasaha. This allows us to apply 2-471 Supo Dhatu Pradivadikayoho in the next step. So we now perform the look elision of the sup affixes Jas and Jas which are inside the compound Pradivadikam. So now we get Ahita plus Agni. Now at this point, as per the Sutram 2-36 Nishtha, the Nishthantam Padam, which is Ahita, would necessarily take a prior position in the compound, but now by the present Sutram 2-37 Vahitājñādishu, the term Ahita, which ends in a Nishtha affix, is optionally placed in the prior position in the compound. So we get either Ahitagni or Ajñāhita. Of course, to get Ahitagni we apply 61101 Akasavarni Dirgha, and to get Ajñāhita we apply 6177 Ikoyanachi. So we get these two forms, and we know the gender of a Bahuvrihi compound matches that of which it qualifies. Present example Nara has been qualified, hence we assign the masculine gender to the compound, which means that Ahitagni declines like Hari Shabdaha and Ajñāhita declines like Rama Shabdaha. Prathama Ekavachanam is Ahitagnihi or Ajñāhitaha. The final note here says that the Ahitājñādi Ganaha is a Akriti Ganaha. We know what that is. It is a class or group of words in which some words are actually mentioned and room is left to include others which are found undergoing the same operations. Hence, when we see an accepted usage, a usage of the scholars, a usage of good authors, in which a term which should have been placed in the prior position as per the Sutram 2-35 Saptami Visheshane Bahuvrihau or 2-36 Nishtha is actually found to be in the latter position in the Bahuvrihi compound, we can justify that usage by considering the compound to be included in the Ahitājñādi Ganaha. So this now extends the scope of this Sutram a little bit further. So not only a Nishthantam Padam, but even a Padam which should have been placed in a prior position as per the Sutram 2-35 Saptami Visheshane Bahuvrihau, if that is found to be in the latter position in a Bahuvrihi compound and the usage is an accepted usage which means it is a Shishta Prayogaha, then we may justify it by considering it to be a part of the Ahita Ajñadi Ganaha.